Zenwork started in Hyderabad in 2011 as a bootstrap company. We bootstrapped for 11 years, no outside funding. Recently, we have raised close to 1,220 crores from Spectrum Equity. The fund will go mostly towards growing to different geography, hiring resources in Hyderabad and US, and expanding business to the new product lines. That's the status so far with Zenwork. So we have two main products. Both the product deals in tax automation, compliance, GRC, FinTech space. These two products called Tax1099.com and the second one is called Compliancely. So Tax1099 essentially deals with tax automation and compliance for businesses. It's a B2B product. It addresses anytime anything to do with accounts payable. Anyone pays anything to a vendor, to supplier, to gig economy like Ola, Uber driver. We come into the picture. We help companies onboard these gig economy workers or contractors or suppliers. We do complete risk mitigation, our platform, and then we do the tax reporting through automation. We integrate with major accounting softwares for all accounts payable in the US, and that constitutes to large part of our revenue and operation. And then Compliancely is our newest product where we power all KYC and KYB for the businesses, which is today we're powering one of the biggest credit card company, over 1 million KYB, KYC check that includes tax ID verification to terrorist watch list to death master file. All those things are done through our platform today, and that's growing at a rapid pace, and we are looking to become one of the market leader in KYC, KYB for the FinTech companies. So pandemic, unfortunately, some industries have suffered, some industries have grown more, and fortunately we benefited a little bit because of digital adoption, and somehow pandemic fueled a lot of transaction around financial side, more bank account opening or your the trading account opening. All these things we fit in. We work with those brokerage firm or online brokerage firm to do the KYC, KYB, and then report the transaction to the tax authority. In US they call 1099B form. We work with those. So we have grown quite a bit during pandemic time, and we continue to see the similar trend post-pandemic as well. Company growth year on over approximately 50%, and we have added about 40,000 new customers in every year in last 2 years, 40,000 new customers. This year we are seeing about it should cross 50,000 new customer in 2022. So Hyderabad is our core setup where most of our employees are located here, products are built here. Hyderabad is a local market. We don't generate much revenue here, but Hyderabad is our core part of our operation and expansion where most of the money gets deployed in hiring people in Hyderabad and US. Thank you so much.
Good morning, I'm Rekha. I'm the co-founder and CTO on Zenwork, and our presence in Hyderabad since 2011. Currently we are about 80 employees. We have always been bootstrapped. We just partnered, growth partners, and we have investment of about 1,200 crore rupees. And we look to invest that money in many areas, but one important area in Hyderabad would be hiring more people. We look forward to hire about another 120 employees in next 1 year across different positions. Mostly software engineers and digital marketing and other areas. That's what the focus is, and we look forward for tremendous growth and support from Hyderabad.
This is Divyaman Agarwal. I'm VP Engineering in Zenwork. So we have a lot of the products, but currently the product what we are talking about here is Tax1099 and Compliancely. As Sanjeev mentioned, like Compliancely is using to identify the compliance of the big organizations, and Tax1099 where we are responsible to file the taxations, and we cover up lots, you can say 40 plus US taxation forms in that. And to cater that high volume of data, we have the API first approach right now. We We have our Tax1099 website also where customer can board it and do it. We have the integrations also with lot of the financial organization and the taxation companies. You can go visit our website tax1099.com and you can find out how big customers are already partner and integrated with us. This is a very unique product, I can say, and we are in this for last 10 years. We already earned the trust. So uniqueness, we can say, Tax1099 is having a feature not for a one form type. It is a 40 plus form types which is helping in the US. That is the one thing. Compliancely is again like it is a very niche thing, how we can identify the compliance with the TIN or the unique identity of the customer. So this gives the reliability in the market. So target area, like as a VP of engineering, my core focus is scaling up, you can say, the product. So when we talk about the scaling up of the product, the responsibility comes how robust my product will be, how easy it will be for the customers, and how best I can cater them into 100 times, into 200 times requests. To do that, we definitely have to increase our cloud capabilities. We have to increase our analytics, and last but not least, I need to get into the machine learning pattern, so we can be, you can say, more prominent and efficient while like building the new softwares in that. So safety is a very important thing for us, and because we are doing the taxation business and compliancely, safety wise, we have all the SOC 2 audits, we have the pen test reports, and we have all the compliances get it done, and most of the customers also can say verify this yearly reports with us, and we are very strict in the compliance in terms of the security, and mostly systems are on the cloud, so we are using all the latest cloud technologies to maintain the security in place. Charging depends, like business team is like taking care of for my charges, and that depends on the type of the services they are catering for, the volume and the type of the forms. There's no fixed charge in that. That's all depend on the business. The procedure is pretty simple. Like you can visit my website. There is a contact us options. You can go there. You can leave us a query, and we can get back to you. Or you can open an account and start using our services. Hyderabad is a pool of talent. I can say all the big companies are setting up their development centers. So as Sanjeev said, our vision is to amplify the headcount. So we have to leverage that talent over here. And we have a presence here in Hyderabad for 10 years. So definitely we want to expand here in Hyderabad. Thanks.